A beginner's guide on how to read stock chart. Investing is one of the critical strategies, and individuals must strive for the right investing. Stocks are excellent sources of investment that can bring profits to individuals through their different channels. Tips to read stock charts. Here is a brief note on how to decipher stock charts. Ensure you look at examples while analyzing so that you do not become overreactive to common changes. The ticker symbol. It is a short abbreviated name of a company and appears at the top of the chart. Ensure you are looking at the right stock as you start reading the stock data from the chart. The changing trend line. The trend line is the first thing you would see in a stock chart. And the line moves with its twists and turns. The trick is to give some time while understanding the reasons behind the crests and troughs. Compare the price and volume. Users mostly mistake the stock valuation by only looking at the price. Always do a comparative analysis of the price and volume to see the market behavior correctly. Read the lines of support and resistance. The line of support depicts the level below which the stock price won't fall, and the resistance line is the opposite. It shows the highest value of the stock. Don't neglect the summary key. For beginners to invest in the stock market, they must decode the stock chart through the summary key. It briefly summarizes the volume of stock traded, moving average. Cover all the facts in the chart. Sometimes profitable companies declare dividends to the shareholders over the stocks held. Again, it may not always hold true. Some other companies believe in reinvesting the earnings and focusing on long-term growth. Cover all the facts in the chart. Sometimes profitable companies declare dividends to the shareholders over the stocks held. Again, it may not always hold true. Some other companies believe in reinvesting the earnings and focusing on long-term growth. Point and figure chart. Unlike a time-based chart, this one shows the price changes in direction. The X's represent price rise, and O shows a fall in stock prices. Bar chart. The most preferred chart by traders is the bar chart. It shows the opening, closing, and highest and lowest price levels in the day. It nearly gives a daily overview of the stock price changes. Candlestick chart. It has a different structure and has two lines and a broad body. The thin lines show the price changes, and the body calculates the difference between the opening and closing price. Head and shoulders chart. The graph forms the structure of a head and shoulders on either side of it. The highest point of the upward trend is the top, and it depicts that the upward trend will end soon. Investors call it the reverse chart pattern.